Hiya ha, hiya ha, hiya hoo. We dance for the sky spirit. We hold the flame. The great bird is safe tonight.
The great bird has fallen. The spirits have delivered. We celebrate the gift from the sky.
Hey-ya-ho, hey-ya-ha, hey-ya-ho, hey-ya-ha. Hey-ya-ho, hey-ya-ha.
Move back! Clear the area now! We mean no harm! I need you behind the perimeter line! Bravo team, hold position on the west side. Charlie, check the fuselage now. Set up defenses on the west flank. Roger that, moving now. Keep those lights steady. All right, careful, we push on 3. 1, 2, 3. It's giving way, we're almost through.
We need to document the full extent of this pitting before we move to the wing. Agreed. The data shows significant material loss.
All right, easy now. Take the tension. Lift on my mark. Mark.
All right, steady tension on the main cables. Bring the boom up slowly. Watch your clearance on the starboard wing.
All right, easy now. Take the tension. Lift on my mark. Mark.
All units hold steady. We are approaching the center span. Keep the speed below 5 knots.
Put the red marker right here by the access panel.
Okay, and we'll secure this work zone perimeter.
Make sure these are all logged before we move to section 4.
Got it. The next batch goes here.
Look at the serial number stamp right here.
Yeah, that's Frenchmanship.
Beautiful craftsmanship, absolutely pristine.
The fuselage sections are secured, Commander. Excellent. Cross-reference the engine mounts one last time. We've got significant fatigue cracking near the mount.
Copy that. I'm logging it now.
Make sure the photo references the exact location on the schematic.
Okay, lower the starboard engine mount slowly.
Yes.
Copy that. Watching the clearance now.
According to the schematic, this seam should be triple riveted. It checks out. The caliper reading confirms the depth.
That's 5 rotations on the aft bolts.
Good torque reading. Mark that as complete on the checklist.
Check the starboard flap synchronization now. Holding steady at 25 degrees. Calibration confirmed.
Make sure the seal is tight before we secure the bolts. Checked. Ready for the torque wrench. Okay, powering up the navigation lights now. Bright and clear. Torque set on the forward assembly.
Looks good. Confirming completion on the manifest now. Harness connected. Secure the panel. Let's test the circuit. Powering up now.
Okay, the pilot seat is secure.
Good. Co-pilot side is locked too. We are complete here.
Easy now, set it right there. B, check the leading edge rivets. Already on it. The shear stress looks good, Chief.
Scan complete on Section 4. Data integrity is at 99.8%. Acceptable tolerance. Log the results and move to the hub assembly. Check the manifold pressure line on engine 3. Confirmed, torque is within limits. Logging the finding now.